Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today, in honor of Canada Day, which was yesterday, July 1st, we're making this gorgeous Canadian face mask. So yes, I am Canadian. I live in Calgary, Alberta. Very proud Canadian. And today's face mask features 2 Canadian ingredients. Actually, it's just a 2-ingredient recipe, so it's all Canadian ingredients. The first one is maple syrup. Like, you know, it's gotta be maple syrup, which is actually quite rich in minerals, which good, and smells amazing. And then our other ingredient, the thing that sort of makes it kind of green and goopy, is Canadian ultrafine glacial clay, which is harvested in Canada and is also very rich in minerals and is quite fine, so it's a good sort of gentle physical exfoliant. This face mask will make you want pancakes, and it's kind of sticky, but it leaves your skin feeling quite refreshed and smooth. So let's go make some. Alright, this is crazy simple. There really are just 2 ingredients. We're going to turn on our scale here. And the first thing we're going to do is weigh out 4 grams of maple syrup. And please make sure you're using real maple syrup, none of that table syrup, pancake syrup, artificially flavored stuff. No. This is for Canada Day. Use real maple syrup. And then here we have our gorgeous ultrafine Canadian glacial clay. So we're probably going to need sort of 4 to 5 grams of this to get the consistency that we want. Alright, so that's 4 grams of clay and 4 grams of syrup, and I like that consistency, so let's pop this on my face. And here we are with our artisanal Canadian face slime. Delightful. It actually really does smell very much like maple syrup, which is really nice. I feel like things can never smell too much like maple syrup. And so it definitely goes on stickier than a mask made with water does, but as a benefit, it doesn't get really tight like watery face masks do. So that's nice. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna let this dry now. Alright, so I've been about 15 minutes and I'm ready to have this come off. So I've got a microfiber cloth here. Don't use a white towel to take this off. It's not going to end well for your white towel. So I've got a warm bowl of water in front of me. Usually I would do this over a sink, but for your benefit, I am not doing it over a sink this time. I find that holding the warm cloth to your skin for a second or two before starting to wipe really helps sort of dissolve some of the sugar and soften things up, so it'll come off your face a little easier. There we go. And that is why we don't use a white towel for this face mask. You want to finish off with a lotion. An oil serum would work too, but I really like lotions for my face when we're talking about rehydrating. So this is my lemon rose face lotion that I shared back in May. Yeah, that is pretty much it. You'll notice that my complexion is nowhere near as red as it would be with another clay mask, or maybe you won't, but I can tell you my face is nowhere near as red as it would be with a clay mask made with water, where it would sort of dry out a lot more and sort of stimulate a lot more circulation. So I quite like that, and it feels wonderfully smooth and quite just refreshed, and I think this is a pretty good little Canada Day treat thing. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Go down to the description box below to click through to find this recipe on my blog, where you'll find links to the ingredients and information on substitutions and scaling and all that other kind of fun stuff. Though honestly, with a 2-ingredient recipe, substitutions are not recommended. But yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.